Students, welcome back to PNMRC online classes. This is Shalini Mishra, your SST teacher, going to start chapter 2. This is your history chapter, and the title of the chapter is Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicrafts and Fine Arts. First of all, we'll take traditional handicraft. In chapter 1, we discussed in detail about cultural heritage of India. We can divide our heritage into 3 sections. First, cultural heritage is what we obtain or creates by using our intellectual skill and rational power. Second, material heritage, house, land, assets like properties that we obtain from our ancestors comes under material heritage. Third, genetic heritage is what a child inherits by physical and mental characteristic from the parents. By birth in general terms, we can say by birth we inherit the characteristic of our parents. Students, as India is an ancient country, we have very vast tradition, values, dogma and family system. In ancient literature, it is mentioned that there were 64 arts that makes Indian culture very vast and attractive for the foreign visitors. We will divide this chapter into 2 parts. In the first section, we discuss about the various handicrafts, and after that we will discuss about the various fine arts of India. In handicraft section, first of all we will take most ancient handicraft of India, art of clay work. Man and clay have been closely associated since ancient time. In that sense, his whole life revolves around it from cradle to grave, means from birth to the death. Before the invention of metals, clay things were used abundantly. Toys, pots, pitchers, earthen lamps, claywares were made by the potter to store grains, milk, ghee, curd and buttermilk. The walls of houses, kubas, means clay huts, and streets were also made up of clay itself. We get the idea of same from the remains of play toys and other things found from ancient places like Kalibangan, Rajasthan. India was famous for producing utensils made up of both baked and unbaked clay, that is terracotta. This is preserved and practiced perfectly till date. Dear students, there in this picture you can easily see some utensils and decorative pieces that are made from clay or terracotta. Next is weaving and embroidery. India is very famous by ancient times like muslin of Dhaka, carpet work, etc. Patola of Patan, Gujarat, Bandhni of Rajasthan, Kanjivaram sari and Kashmiri work, that is Kasab. Patola saris are double-linked woven saris, usually made from silk, made in Patan, Gujarat, India. The word patola is the plural form of singular is patolo. They are very expensive, once worn only by royal families and symbol of aristocracy. They are popular and in demand from those who can afford them. Velvet patola styles are also made in Surat, the textile hub of India. Patola weaving is a closely guarded family tradition. There are 3 families left in Patan that weave these highly prized Bivadic saris. It can take 6 months to 1 year to make one patola sari. Dear students, in this chapter you can see the very beautiful picture in our next slide. In this slide, you can see the beautiful patola sari of Patan. Bandhni of Jamnagar, Jodhpur, Bhuj, Mandvi are very popular. The traditional style of Bandhni with all its luster is very popular even today. In this picture, you can see first blue work is of Bandhni work. Next middle picture is of Kasab work of Kashmir, and the last yellow and red sarees of Kanjivaram work. Sarees, especially Kanjivaram sarees, are worn at special occasions of India. Leather industry. Skin of dead animals was used by processing it in a traditional manner for various purposes at various places of ancient India. Leather industry is running by ancient period by using various threads in stitching of leather. Various leather articles are manufactured. Leather is used in making masak, leather bag for fetching water in the ancient time. The bellows used by blacksmiths, shoes, purses, leather strips to the pets, belts, rings produced for daily needs. Some important articles that are made by leather industry of India are Rajasthani Mojri shoes, chappals, leather knitted purses, belts, saj, palan, lagam is used for various type of animals like horses and camels. Shields, jackets are also made by leather. Other varieties of leather are decorative wall pieces, carpets, covers, sofa covers, seat covers, photo frames, pen stand, purses, briefcases, etc. are leather articles.